Tongue twisters: a flea and a fly. Tongue twisters are fun word games we use to challenge our pronunciation. As an English learner, you can use tongue twisters to help with pronunciation of certain sounds. In this tongue twister, a flea and a fly, you can work on your F's. Use lots of breath to help you get the fricative F sound strong. Remember that F is voiceless, pronounced without the voice by a strong push of air through pursed lips. A flea and a fly. A flea and a fly flew up in a flue. Said the flea, "Let us fly." Said the fly, "Let us flee." So they flew through a flaw in the flue. Listen to flea and fly a number of times and then try it for yourself. Improving your pronunciation of F. A flea and a fly helps you practice F. The F sound is voiceless and sometimes confused with the V sound, which is voiced. Practice the difference in these sounds with minimal pairs. Words that only have a difference between the F and V sound. Vi-fi, food voodoo, fame vain, van fan. Feel the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds. Place your hand on your throat and say, van, and you will feel a vibration for the V sound. Place your hand on your throat and say, fan, and you'll feel no vibration at all for the F, a voiceless sound. Seashells by the seashore, tongue twister. Tongue twisters are fun word games we use to challenge our pronunciation. As an English learner, you can use tongue twisters to help with pronunciation of certain sounds. This tongue twister is perfect for practicing your S sounds. Use lots of breath to help you get the hissing S sound strong. Remember that S is voiceless, pronounced without the voice by pushing air between your teeth and through open and rounded lips. Please like, share, subscribe.